Good morning. Vamos show you pla tip ken long how lo of him sla counterweight alarm blue on long all isla tarano GR series all rafter ini. So pas line yung yung video yon now. So isla alarm ikamo nem counterweight mismatch alarm blue. Msta banda ya. Em ito kaya counterweight mismatch. So lo clearin ba yung gobet ken? Kalau set yung kalau counterweight, then you enter him lo ya. Once you enter him now, sila alarm by go off. Now, so you may enter him finish counterweight, alarm go off. Now by you set him all out triggers go full. You may come lo here. Then you select him full out triggers. Now full out trigger you may go long now. Thank you long watching video of me.